it. People don't need that tree there.
Look at the
forever.
tree over there, though. In the other people's house.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
that looks a lot stronger. You know, you want to know why? You see all that green stuff on this tree?
Yeah.
It's rotted.
Yeah. And it's old, right? And this tree right here, too. The one with the...
No, that doesn't have half
They're
as
not
much
this one,
green
this
as
one.
that one does. That tree is rotted.
No, this one right here.
The
one
two.
And the other right here. It's like moving back and forth.
Yeah, but it's not half as rotted as that one. And his already broke at the base.
Oh my god. Oh no. Do you see that?
I can't watch that and her at the same time.
Then go in a different window.
No, this is the best one.
This is scary though. Oh, I think I just heard a tree fall.
Eric, make me nervous.
I think I just heard a tree fall. I heard like a.
Look at the cracks. That's not funny.
I'm not sleep.
Bottom.
I said
Well, Matt, can I move this up?
no. Oh. Can I sleep over Jake's house tonight? I'm matching.
No.
Nick
We're
Stone.
not going anywhere.
No, Nick Stone's. Come on,
No.
there are no trees there, and
You
he.
know it.
Oh,
There
It's-
it goes! There it goes! There it goes! Oh my god!
That's not.
oh, Marcus, yeah.
Look at the bottom.
Oh
Look
my
at-
god!
Yo, record this.
I'm recording it right now.
Olivia.
Wait, why are we all getting excited? This guy is...
No, it fell. Look at it. Look at the bottom. It's cracking.
my-
It's right now. Right now.
Oh!
Woo! Oh!
Oh my god!
Whoa!
You guys got no power!
Oh my god!
You guys got no power!
No!
Mom, look!
Woo!
We watched it!
I got it on tape. Woo!
Yeah, we-
You guys got no power for like another 2 weeks. You guys are excited for nothing.
Oh my god!
You guys don't
Yeah.
have light ever.
You guys don't have power for like another 2 weeks. You guys
Yeah.
are
Oh
excited for
my
nothing.
god!
That's like the sets.
Oh my god, I can't
I'm
believe
recording.
it!
I know, it was so
Let me see,
scary.
let me see it. Show her the